Microsoft Outlook image preview not working. Here's how you can easily fix this. Most of the time, the issue is from Outlook's protection services not allowing you to preview some images that may have or hold malicious softwares inside. All right, so here's how you can fix this issue. Head over to File. At the top, click on Settings on your Microsoft Outlook. This should work for both the online version and the app version. Head to General, head to Privacy and Data, scroll till you see external images. So it says here, some external images can pose a security risk. As such, Outlook helps protect your data by loading these images through their service. If you choose not to have Outlook load your images, you risk your device to malicious content. All right, so basically, just go ahead and click on Don't use Outlook service to load images. That way, you get to see your previews without any issues, and click on Save. All right, guys.